Now read question number 8, students. That is, solve 1 by 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 3x. After that, check the answer. See, first transfer the terms having variable in one side and constant to another side. So see, this is 1 by 2x and this is 1 by 3x. Transfer this 1 by 3x to left side. What we have? 1 by 2x, and transfer this to this side. This is plus sign, so it will be minus 1 by 3x. That is equal to, this is 5, and you can see this is minus 3. Transfer this to right side, plus 3. So now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3x, minus 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2x. That is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. So what will become here? 3x minus 2x, that is x upon 6 is equal to 8. So this should be transferred this side. So here 6 divides x, so it will multiply with 8 in the right hand side. What we have? 8 into 6, that is x is equal to 48. So our answer is 48. Now I am going to check that this answer is correct or not. See, our equation is 1 by 2x minus 3, that is equal to 5 plus 1 by 3x. Now put the value of x here, 48. So we have 1 by 2 into 48 minus 3 equal to 5 plus 1 by 3 into x should be replaced by 48. So see, 2 1 ja 2, 220, 224 ja 48, and here 3 1 ja 3, 16 ja 48. So what will become? What will become here? This is 24 minus 3, that is 24 minus 3, and right side 5 plus 16, 5 plus 16. So 24 minus 3 is 21, and 5 plus 16 is also 21. Means left side and right side are equal. That's why our answer is correct. Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. See question number 10. That is, solve 3x plus 2 into x plus 2, that is equal to 20 minus 2x minus 5. Okay. I am going to solve this. See carefully. First of all, we have to open the brackets. Okay. See, this is 3x and plus. Open this bracket. So 2 into x, 2x. This is plus, so there will be plus. 2 into 2, 4. That is equal to 20. And now this is minus. Open this bracket. Minus into plus, that will be minus 2x. And minus into minus, that is plus 5. Okay. Now see, this will be 3x plus 2x, that is 5x, and plus 4, that is 20 and plus 5, 25, 25 minus 2x. Okay. Now transfer this 2x to left side. Here minus sign, so it will be 5x plus 2x, that is equal to 25. This one 25, and transfer this plus 4 to right hand side, it will become minus 4. So what will become? 5x plus 2x, that is 7x, equal to 25 minus 4, 21. Now 7 multiplied with x here in the left side. So when we transfer this to right side, it will be 21 by 7. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So x is equal to 3 will be your answer. X will be 3. Now I am going to check that this answer is correct or not. See, so our equation is everyone pause the video and note down the solution. Okay? See, I am going to check that our answer is correct or not. This is our equation, and answer is x is equal to 3. So replace x is equal to 3 in the both side. So what we have, this is 3 and x is replaced by 3 plus this is 2, x is replaced by 3 plus 2, right side that is 20 minus this is 2, x is replaced by 3 minus 5. So 3 into 3, 9 plus 2 and solve this bracket, that is 3 plus 2, 5 equal to 20 minus 2 into 3, 6 minus 5. So it will become 9 plus 5 to the 10 equal to 20 minus this is 6 minus 5, 1. Okay. So in the left side you can see what will become 9 plus 10, 19, and right side 20 minus 1, 19. So left side and right side both are equal, means our answer is correct, and answer will be x is equal to 3. Got it? Now next, question number 12. Question number 12. Solve 2m plus 5 upon 3 equal to 3m minus 10. Okay. So here you can see the variable is m. I am going to solve this. See, this 3m minus 10, this is 2m plus 5 upon 3, this is 3m minus 10 by 1. We can write this. Okay. Now doing the cross multiplication, what we have, 1 into 2m plus 5 and its right side 3 into 3m minus 10. Now open the brackets. 1 into 2, 2m plus 1 into 5, 5. That is 3 into 3, 9m minus 3 into 10, 30. Okay. Now this term and this term have the variable m. Transfer this term to left side. So what we have, 2m minus 9m, that is equal to minus 30, and transfer this constant term to right side, that is plus 5, so it will be minus 2. So what we have, 2m minus 9m, that is minus 7m, and in the right side minus 30 minus 5, minus 35. So we have m is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 7. Okay. So what will become? This minus and minus will be cancelled. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. Means m is equal to 5. This is our answer. Value of the variable is 5. Now I am going to check that this answer is correct or not. So our equation is this one. Okay, this one is our equation. Now I am going to check this, and value of m becomes 5, and I am going to check that this value of m is correct solution of this equation or not. So put the value of m 5 here in the left and right both sides. So 2 into value of m is 5 plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 3. Value of m is 5 minus 10. So see, in any question, if plus, minus, division, multiplication R will present there. How can we solve that? Yes, by using BODMAS rule. BODMAS, you heard about it? Okay, so first we have to multiply this. 2 5 are 10 plus 5 upon 3 equal to 3 5 are 15 minus 10. By using BODMAS rule. So I think you know about BODMAS rule. That is very easy for you. So 10 plus 5 is 15 upon 3 and 15 minus 10, that is 5. 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. So what we have? 5 is equal to 5. Clearly our answer is correct. So m is equal to 5. M is equal to 5 is correct. Okay. Now question number 14. Question number 14. Question number 14 is solve t minus 2t plus 5 minus 5 into 1 minus 2t equal to 2 3 plus 4t minus 3 times t minus 4. Okay. So this is our equation and we have to solve this. See, open the brackets first, left side and right side, both sides. So it will be what? This is t and open this bracket, minus 2t and minus plus minus 5, open this bracket, minus 5 into 1 minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 2 ja 10 t, that is equal to 2 3 ja 6 plus 2 4 ja 8 t, this is minus 3t and minus minus plus 3 4 ja 12. Okay, now what we have, this is t, this is minus 2t and this is plus 10t, like terms, and constant terms minus 5 minus 5. So plus 10 minus 2, that is plus 8, plus 10 minus 2, that is plus 8, and plus 8 and plus 8 and plus 1, that is 9, means 9t. Got it everyone? See, t minus 2t, that is minus t, and minus t plus 10t, that is plus 9t. Minus 5 minus 10. Okay, now come on the right side. See, this is plus 8t and minus 3t, like terms will be added to each other. In the algebraic expression you have read about it. Plus 8t minus 3t, that is plus 5t. Okay, and constant terms 12 plus 6 plus 18. Now transfer this 5t to left side. What we have? This is 9t minus 5t, and this is plus 18. Transfer this minus 10 to right side, that is plus 10. What will become? 9t minus 5t, that is 4t. That is equal to 18 plus 10, 28. That is t is equal to 28 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28. Means t is equal to 7. Our answer is 7. Now I am going to check that our answer t is equal to 7 is correct or not. See, our equation is this. This is our equation, and our answer is t is equal to 7. Okay, so put the value of t is equal to 7 to the left and right and check that our answer is correct or not. So now I am going to check this. See, replace t by 7. So what we have? 7 minus This one is 2 into 7 plus 5 minus 5 into 1 minus 2 into t is replaced by 7. Okay, that is equal to 2. This is 3 plus 4 into 7 minus 3 into this is 7 minus 4. Now what we have, this is 7 minus 2 7 ja 14 plus 5 minus 5 into 1 minus 2 7 ja 14, that is equal to this is 2 3 plus 4 7 ja 28 minus 3 7 minus 4, that is 3. Solve it. See, that is 7 minus 14 plus 5 19 minus 5 into this is minus 13, 1 minus 14, that is minus 13, and our right side, that is 2 into 28 plus 3 31 minus 3 into 3 9. So what will become, this is 7 minus 19 and this is minus 5 into, so 7 minus 19 is minus 12. Okay, minus 12 and minus into minus, this is plus 13 5 ja 65, that is equal to 31 into 2 62 and minus this is 9. Okay, so now what we have, 65 minus 12, that is 53. Okay, and 62 minus 9, that is also 53. Means our left side and right side both are equal, means t is equal to 7 is correct. Okay, so that's enough for today. Students, homework for you. Homework for you. Complete rest of the question. Remaining problems of exercise 7A up to question number 15. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तक जितने क्वेश्चंस बाकी हैं, मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस बताए हैं, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर होमवर्क फॉर यू. थैंक यू.